Hello, today I will be unboxing and fixing a PABX system. So today I'll be fixing an IKE PABX 416P PABX. So this is what the pack looks like inside, and then I think there is a manual and a cable. Comes with a manual and a cable, but this PABX system is pretty much easy to fix because it's just almost like plug and play. You don't need to do much configuration on a system or anything like that, like the Panasonic TD100, where you have to do some configuration, configure the number. So this comes with a pre-configured number. You can just plug and play if you don't have time for any form of configuration or are not too into any technical stuff like that. So I'll try to open the seal that is containing the PABX system right now. Okay, so this is the seal. I'll gently open it up, and okay, so here is what the box looks like inside. This is the PABX EK416P PABX. It has system port. Okay, you can say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 like that, so up to just like 16 like that. So that is the power jack. So, and these are some of the things we are going to be working with. This is the PABX system. Then you need your cable. I have a bundle of cable here, and that I'll be using to distribute the lines, to distribute the extension inside each of the offices or rooms, depending what you are using those for. And then you have a PABX box, telephone box, and then this is the wall jack that we're going to be using. So the first thing you're going to do to this is just to connect a cable, a PABX, to one of the slots. The first slot is actually the administrator or the master extension. So from there you can call any other number on the extension. So that is the first thing I'm going to do now, is to connect the box to the first extension 001. But this particular model starts from 801 to 816. That is 16 extension. So the first number is going to be 801, 02 is going to be 802, just like that up to 816, which is actually the 16th port. So this is on now, and then I'm going to wait for it to boot up. I think the lines are steady right now, so I'm going to try to configure right now. You can see I'm plugging it to the first one, which is 801, and thank you, sir. So I'm going to check if there's a tone on it. Yeah, I think there's a tone on it. So from the manual, it says that from the first one we can actually program every other number that we want. So since it's connected to the first one, which is 801, from there I can get any other number. So if now for this, if you're using it for the first time and you plug in the intercom to the first extension, then which is 01, you're going to press 8 *#, or rather *801 and #. So that is going to program 01 as the master or the administrator. So from this you can program every other number that you want. So immediately I plug this particular phone to 01, which is actually the first port. I am going to dial *801#. So it's going to save 01 as the master extension or the administrator. So from then on I can call every other number on it. So you can see it is plugged now, and I'm going to connect another phone to call out the other phone. So that is pretty much how to fix this, to fix it. So from there on you can connect every other extension to it depending on the numbers that you want. So that is it, guys. I'm going to see you next time. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.